So, hi all mga susmars, another day, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android na tablet. So, we have here the itel Vista Tab 30s. So, as you can see, this is Gilio 88, 7,000 mAh battery, mega battery capacity. Oh, okay. So, 11.2K, 90 Hz, alright. So we purchased this one online. If by any chance you want to consider buying this Android phone, just click the yellow basket somewhere sa video or yung link natin sa description box. Again, pag ginamit niyo po yung voucher natin dyan, mas cheaper niyo po mapurchase itong si ating itel Vista Tab 30s. Medyo mahaba siya mga susmars. So this is sky blue. Ayan. So sky blue yung color na pinurchase natin. Okay. Ayan siya. Alright. So, open na natin yung boxable. Okay. Tabi lang na natin si tablet. And then, let's check the inclusion inside the box. So, we have a warranty policy. Ayan. Meron tayong Type-C charging cord and a pin eject tool na nakalagay sa Ziploc. Okay. And then, we also have a charging brick. Napaka-cute naman ang charging brick na to. Ang liit. So, we have charging brick dito. Okay. So far, yan lang naman yung inclusion niya. I don't know if meron tong inside the box pa. Paano ba natin siya kinuha to? Pag ganun ba? How? I forgot. My God. I see. Okay. I don't know if meron pa siyang... okay. So, meron na siyang included na case. I see. Okay. So, ayan, meron na tayong case na inclusion. Nor included. Kala ko wala na siyang laman. My bad. So, proceed na tayo checking the tablet. Let me just put this one back. We need to be careful kasi nga baka masira siya ate ko. So, I forgot to put the warranty something in here. AI educational tools, personalized smart learning. Okay. Right corner we have speaker grills in here. Ayan. Sa bottom part, we have SIM tray. Left part, we also have speaker grills with a Type-C charging port. Sa upper corner, we have the power button and the volume up and down. And then, microphone. So, this is a notch display. Parang feel ko ang ganda niya. So, check na natin kagad yung camera module, design, and feature ni Android na tablet or ni tablet natin. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wow! So, this is the Vista Tab. Ang ganda ng design niya. Matte finish. Hindi siya prone sa smudges or any, alam niyo na, fingerprint. So, mayroon tayong itel brand. Parang siyang steel. Yung kanyang back design. Okay. Sky blue. Well, actually, it look like iPad. Parang siyang iPad. Anong iPad to, Lab? Parang siyang mukhang iPad. iPhone. Ayan, so, kung titignan niyo yung camera module niya, parang siyang iPhone, mga sismars, na pinalaki. Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda ng So, open ko lang ito mga sismars and then set up ko real quick. Balikan ko kayo. So, ayan, nabuksan ko na mga sismars. I-set up lang natin ito real quick. Check natin yung settings and some of the camera feature quickly lang naman with this itel Vista Tab 30. So, ayan, nabuksan na natin siya mga sismars. At nakapag-set up na rin tayo. Check natin real quick or explore natin na real quick yung ating settings. Okay. So, meron din siyang manual guides dito. Ayan. Including the warranty. Okay. May DuraSpeed tayo dito. Ito, may security and privacy. Which is, meron kang fingerprint. I guess this one is a fingerprint sensor. Meron tayong AI Vana. Okay, display. This is 90 Hz. Refresh rate, pinaka-maximum. Quick camera. Meron tayong photos and videos only. Ayan. Meron din tayo dito, learning center. Ayan. Na which is, pero yung mga ayaw nyo naman dito, pwede nyo namang i-install mga sa Mars. Pero again, maganda na mayroong learning center. Which is, pwede sa mga kiddos sa inyo. So, this one is perfect sa mga kids. If by any chance, naghahanap kayo ng budget-friendly iPad, ayan, mga sa Mars, perfect tong Vista Tab 30s. Again, you can purchase this using the voucher down below. Mas cheaper nyo po itong mapapurchase. So, abangan nyo mga sis Mars. Mas magbababa pa yan. So, once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me also on my TikTok account, @_Malonzo. See you ulit sa ating next na camera review, full review buyers.